Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you add your Facebook friends in Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Candy Crush application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening up the Candy Crush game guys, you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after opening up the game guys and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the starting screen, where you can go ahead and either click on play or to log into your account. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on my account, and here you want to go ahead and log into your Facebook account that you want to play with. So after logging in, now we can go ahead and click on the play button, and it's going to go ahead and take us to this main page right here, which is the home page of the game, where we can see our progress, we can see the events, the shop at the bottom of the screen, and so on. So guys, now after we have done that, now let's go ahead and get started with adding our friends. So to be able to add our friends, all we have to do is go ahead and click the profile picture right here at the top of the screen. As you can see, here is our profile picture at the top of the screen. Click on that, and after clicking that guys, it's now going to go ahead and open up this new menu where you have two sections called me and friends. So as you can see, we have me and friends guys, and what we want to do is to go ahead and click on the friends section right here. Click on friends, and then a new button that says add more friends is going to go ahead and appear. So what you can do guys is click on add more friends, and this is going to go ahead and enable you to invite your Facebook friends to play with you on Candy Crush. So just do that and they will accept, and then you can start playing. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.